So you have written your ebook, and the challenge now is how to design the ebook cover. Worry no more, because in this video I will share with you how to design a 3D ebook cover with little computer skill. Hello everyone, my name is Pat Ugu. Please consider subscribing to this channel if you have not done so. Now let's dive into it. Now let me open my browser and go to Unsplash. Unsplash is a place where you can get free stock images. I will put the link in the description box below. Then I will search and pick any of these images of my choice. Let me choose this one, then copy it. Once I copy it, the next thing I will have to do is to open my PowerPoint application. You remember I said we are going to use simple tool. PowerPoint, I will choose a blank presentation. Here I don't need this click to add text. I will go to layout and choose a blank page in order to remove that one. Then the next thing is to paste the image that I have copied from Unsplash. After pasting this image, I will resize it. The next thing I will have to do now is to crop it so that it will look vertical like an ebook. So from format picture, I will click on crop, then crop it to a vertical size. Then I will also have to compress it in order to remove that cropped out image. Then I will choose email for that. Click OK. Now it is time for me to start entering some text as my ebook cover. I will go to insert, click on text box, then start entering some text title as my ebook title. But I will not take much time to design this, otherwise this video is going to be too long. So I will just apply some basic formatting like bold, color, shadow and things like that. Once I am done, the next thing I will have to do is to group these two objects together so that they will be treated as one. After this, the next step will be to export this picture as an image. So I will right click. Once I right click, I will then click on save as a picture. Save as picture, you can see it there. Then it will take me to a location where I would like to save it. I will give it a name. After entering a name for the image, it will definitely going to save as a PNG. That is picture network graphic format. I will then click on save. The next step is to import this picture that I have exported. So I will go to insert, select the picture and import it. So we now have it as a picture and no longer as a different object. The next thing is to make it as a 3D. So I will choose from any of these 3D objects. Remember, our aim is to get an ebook. Our aim is to get an ebook. So I will choose a particular one, this one. Once I choose it as the type of ebook cover I would like to make, then I will have to open the 3D option. I will click on the same 3 picture effect, choose on 3D option in order to bring out that option. So from this option, I can use any of these two to rotate it, change the angle, however I want it to be. I can change all of that. But the one that will give you a spine like the way you want it is the picture format. So I will go to that place. Under that picture format, click on depth. You will see depth there. As you are clicking on the depth, you will see the depth increasing on the ebook. So that is all you need to do in order to get your ebook format. This is amazing. You don't need to be a graphic designer to do this. Just your basic computer skill can fetch you this. Now we can do this thing again with another tool that is not PowerPoint. It is an online tool. So let's go there to see how you can achieve the same objective using an online tool. What do I need to do? I will go to the website. The website is known as free book cover mockups. So here we'll have single. Under single, you will see different single ebooks that you can make. We also have composites. With composites, you will see different composites. You have 2, double, 3, and all of that. So, but right now I am going to choose this right one, this last one at the bottom right. Once I choose it, I will then click on the next button. From there, I will upload the cover image. That's what you need to do first. You select the image, the same image that you exported using PowerPoint. So I am going to locate where it is and select it. Once that is done, I will click on upload so that the file name will appear there. Then the second thing you need to do is to get the spine. I didn't design for the spine, so I will be using the same image. So we'll have the 2 images here in this web application. Then I'll click on next to get to step 2. Under step 2, I will decide how I want it, whether PNG or JPG, how I want to download it. Once you click on it, the image will start downloading, as you can see here on your screen. Please subscribe if you have not done so. Look at the image, it has now been downloaded. Boom, we have our 3D ebook. What else do you need? This is how to design a 3D ebook. Very easy without having a computer graphic design skill. I hope you got some value from this tutorial. Kindly subscribe and also like the video so that YouTube will show it to others. If you have any other tools simpler than the ones we just discussed, feel free to mention them in the comment section. We also made a video on how to create an ebook with PowerPoint. Check the link in the description box below. Until next time, keep learning.